Introductory Calculus Lesson 11 titled Parametric Equation. What is parametric? What is equation? What is parametric equation from the word parameter? Let me start with an equation. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement where two expressions are equal to each other. Let me take that again. An equation is a mathematical statement where two expressions are equal to each other. Now, it is always more favorable to express a relation between two variables, say x and y, by initiating a third independent variable, say t. So the equation x equals to at squared and equation y equals to 2at. These two equations are referred to as parametric equations. Parametric equations. Why the independent variable t are referred to as parameter. So let's consider the following parametric function to postulate this of parametric functions. Derivatives of parametric functions. The derivatives of functions given parametrically are obtained by use of chain rule. So we're going to obtain this by the use of chain rule, which is given mathematically as dy dx equals to dy dt divided by dx dt, which is going to be dy dt divided by dx dt. Let's consider example 1. If x equals to 80 squared, y equals to 280, find dy dx. Solution. If x equals 80 squared, so our dx dt is going to be 280 and y equals to 280, so our dy with respect to t, dy dt equals to 2a. So from here we now apply our chain rule, and from the mathematical expression dy dx equals to dy dt divided by dx dt. And we know that our dx dt is 280 and our dy dt is 2a. We now substitute it into this equation, so it will now be dy dx equals to dy dt. Dy dt is 2a divided by dx dt. Dx dt is what? 280. So from here to now be 2a times, and by the time we change division to times, there will be a reciprocal of this, which is going to be 1 over 280, which is our dy dx. Therefore, our dy dx will now be equals to 2a over 280. 2 we cancel 2, a we cancel a. Therefore, our dy dx, our dy dx equals to 1 over t, as t is not equals to 0. Number 2. If y equals to 2t, x equals to 1 plus t cubed, find dy dx. Solution. If y equals to 2t, so dy dt equals to 2. We're going to do that to x. So if x equals to 1 plus t raised to power 3, that's t cubed, dx dt equals to If you differentiate a constant, it will surely give 0 plus 3t squared. Therefore, dx dt equals to 3t squared. So from here, we're going to apply our chain rule, which is dy dx equals to dy dt divided by dx dt. So from here, our dy dx equals to dy dt. Dy dt is 2 divided by dx dt. Dx dt is 3t squared. So dy dx, so tidying up this, it will be 2 times 1 over 3t squared. Therefore, dy dx equals to 2 over 3t squared. I believe you understand this. So we can practice more on parametric equation. I want to thank you so specially for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or question, let's make it to this number scrolling on the screen or other social handles. Thank you very much.
Feel the magic in the air. Magic System, Adewale, show